In this video, we will show you how to enable Windows Sandbox on Windows 11. Windows Sandbox require Windows 11 minimum version 22H2, and your computer must have these requirements. You can see for Windows 11 minimum is 22H2 and enable virtualization on the BIOS and at least 4 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, but 8 is recommended, and at least 1 gigabyte of free disk space or SSD recommended, and at least 2 CPU cores. Okay, 4 core with hyper-threading is recommended also. And the question is, what is the Windows Sandbox? Windows Sandbox is the application that we can run Windows client like virtual machine, but that make it special is with Windows Sandbox, anything we install on the client or on the virtual machine, after we restart, the Windows Sandbox will like the new brand OS. So the any configuration that you've done on the Windows Sandbox will reset after you restart the client. How to enable this feature? First, you need to open your control panel. Just type control panel. Okay. After that, in here, select programs. I will make the maximum and select programs and features. After that, you can turn Windows feature on or off. You can see there. You can scroll down and select Windows Sandbox. If this Windows Sandbox not include on your Windows 11 not support with Windows Sandbox. You need to install the Windows 11 22H2 or later. Then you can click OK. Waiting for the process. Now, after the process is done, you can click Restart Now. After you restart your PC or your computer, you can try to find Windows Sandbox via search bar. Just type Windows Sandbox and you can see here. Now you can click the Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is isolated OS like virtual machine. You can see there. And it's very helpful if you want to test some program or application rather than directly on your host. So maybe it's very safe to test before you use the application on the host. And this is the Windows Sandbox looks like virtual machine, but it's very easy to set up, not like virtual machine on the Hyper-V or VirtualBox. Okay, this is very different from virtual machine, but using similar method. That's all.